Okay, Dennis is going to try his hand at it now. Dennis Mitchell, also of the morning show at the Rose. Let's see if a guy can do any better than a woman. I don't know. I got a guy standing right next to me who will probably beg to defer.
We're going to show why construction is dominated by men.
We're gonna edit that out of the video.
And Michelle's too intense. She knocked the ball over and then she killed the cone.
Didn't know you could kill a cone, but she managed.
She mangled it. Mangled it bad.
Well, Dennis resuscitated it. Oh, we have two Dennises now.
Yeah, Dennis and Dennis here. Yep.
Thanks again to H.L. Weicker for the use of this excavator.
Yep.
101 things you never knew about construction. You see? Up is right and down is left and something like that, so it's really not straightforward. Very smooth.
Yeah. Alright, well that was a nice swing.
Alright, good. Getting there.
Well, just got to bring it down a little bit. Bring it down and scoop.
Yes, don't maul, just scoop.
Yes.
I don't know, looking good. I think he almost has it. Let's see, the suspense is mounting.
Yeah!
He's under it. Oh! See? Mr. Jack Zimmer, our president's going to get the ball. Moving along. Oh, looks like he has it. He got it on the scoop. Oh, this is good. This is looking good. Go, Dennis. I don't know. You're putting Michelle to shame. Almost. Now this part, he has to dump it in the bucket. Oh, so close. So close. Has anybody ever gotten it in? Yes, they have.